making a little progress today out here in the shop working. Got the driver's side kind of buttoned up. Still got to do the tank, run air lines, wiring, all that stuff. But I got the A-arms put back on, spindles on, rotors, calipers, and stuck the wheel on just to see what it was going to look like. Now let me show you what I got. That right there. Of course it's on the jack and all the weight of the truck is not sitting on the wheel, but man, it's looking good. They're tucking up under there pretty good. So, like I said, I found these center caps. I don't know what they came off of, but I found them on Marketplace, and they were different than your standard C10, C1500, or C15 Squarebody caps. And I wanted GMC caps. I didn't want to run Chevrolet caps. But I think they really fit the truck with the way the lines are in them. Even the color's fairly close on the lettering. I may go back and paint those orange to match the rest of it. I'm not sure, but man, this really makes me happy. We got a lot of time invested in this thing. I do have a little bit of cleanup under the hood. Got to move some stuff around. We'll get that sorted. Shouldn't be too big of a problem. And yeah, I just mainly wanted to show you what we kind of the vision that I'm going for, the look that it's going to have. I'm real excited about this. I am running CPP 6-lug conversion rotors on the front of this truck. I've got spacers on the rear. We may revisit that sometime later, but I just want to get the truck running, driving, going up and down, making sure everything's going to work out on it. And we may swap axles or something at a later date. But so far, we've got the driver's side just about wrapped up. We're getting ready to tear into the passenger side and do the same with it. I only did one side of it at a time in case I forgot how something went back together. We could kind of reference off of that. Yeah, it's starting to take shape. I'm ready to see this thing on the ground. The holes for the plates on the ones that came with this kit are side to side. Yeah, I was trying to slot the holes and make it work, and it just didn't look right. Didn't care for how it was turning out. So what I did is I bought these plates. I don't know if you can see the difference in the slots. And what this does, this allows the bag to move forward or back, where the other one moves in and out. So I'll put this plate on the passenger side. I don't know how much you're gonna be able to see. And what I was running into was the bag, when it was aired out, was rubbing the pocket, the lower control arm here. By changing out the bags, or the bag plates, the upper plates, I was able to slide it forward, and there's a slot in the cup where you can slide it forward. So what I should have done was mount the plate, get it in place where I wanted it, and then jack the lower A-arm up and seen where the bag was going to land, and then kind of mark the bag location out, then put the cup in. I did.